This gateway works, it scans, it publishes, it has been running for 2 episodes. But in Europe, working is no longer the bar. The Cyber Resilience Act says products with software in them have to be secure, and you have to prove it. The first obligations start next month. The rest lands in 2027, and they include serving security updates for years after you ship. Still the same session as the build. I run the readiness check on the firmware we already have. No new project, no separate tools. First, it builds an SBOM, the ingredient list of your firmware. Every library actually inside the build, not what the secure tree claims. The law asks for exactly this, because when a security bug, CVE, appears in some library, this list is how you find out whether you owe your customers an update. Then it checks how the device is built. Secure boot. Does this chip verify the firmware before running it? Signed updates. Can someone push fake firmware to it? Encrypted storage. Are the Wi-Fi and MQTT passwords sitting in plain text? Debug port. Can anyone with physical access read out your code and your keys? Ours failed several of these, which is normal. We have just built it for development, not yet for shipping. This list matches what I would flag in a design review. The difference is it took a minute with evidence attached. And it never claims we are compliant. Conformity is a formal process with legal weight, and this does not replace it. It gives you evidence and a head start, and it says so. So I ask it to close the top gap. It wires the change into the project, rebuilds and re-verifies without leaving the agent. New firmware on the same board. Scanner, dashboard, MQTT all still working, with the gap closed. Run it again and the gap is gone. Updated SBOM, updated posture, generated from the firmware that is actually running. CRA is a firmware problem before it is a paperwork problem. Start where the truth is. Adsum IoT Coder, open source, free to try. Link below.